days come easy and the moments pass slow. Need your road to lead you where you wanna go. And if you're faced with the
cheers! So here's to more love. Here's to more love, more light, more everything. It's been a crazy 25 years of my life, but nonetheless, I am grateful, I am happy, I am content, I'm just good, you know. I'm in a good place, I'm in a good space, headspace, everything. Mentally, I'm okay. Everything is just fine, like everything is just going well, everything is okay. Every single time God has shown up for me, and I'm super happy, I'm super grateful. Okay guys, so this video is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys 25 things that I have learned in the 25 years of my life. So 25 things that I have learned before I turned 25. And this video I kind of made from the bottom of my heart. Like every single point in this is something that I have learned, something that has taught me something in life, and something that I'm grateful for. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know what I've learned before hitting 25, keep on watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.
more than anything, my wish for you.
You don't need to have it all planned out. There is no time scale to anything. For me, 25 is just the beginning. I have always thought that by the time I'm 25, I should have it all figured out. But it's okay to not have it all figured out. I know I haven't, but that's okay. Because in life, you live and you learn. Start saving up as early as you can. The earlier we start, the greater the amount for your golden years. It may seem a long way off still, but the retired you will thank you for having started by now. Learn to say no. Learning to say no is an important skill, and one that can really increase the quality of your life. Spend some time with the people that you love, the ones that make you happy, and the ones that you can be yourself around. Work hard, stay humble, but give yourself a break sometimes. It's okay to let go of people. Don't feel bad about cutting people off, especially the toxic ones. Take care of your body. Your body is extremely beautiful. Take good care of it. If you're hurting, give yourself time. Time heals most wounds. Some beautiful paths can't be discovered without getting lost. If you're feeling down, it's okay not to be okay. Let go of your past. It's too heavy. Never stop learning. Stay educating yourself. With books, audiobooks. Only worry about what you think of you. Your opinion of yourself is the only thing that truly matters. Always remember, progress, not perfect. Don't find your validation from shiny pennies. For example, Instagram likes. Nothing will ever work if you're just dreaming about it and not taking steps. Drop your pride. It's okay to be wrong. Apologize and avoid doing it again. Be kind, always. You can be kind and honest at the same time. Enjoy your life. Life truly is beautiful. Accept every day as it comes and be grateful for the things that you're blessed with. Remember to take good care of Mother Earth, just like she's been taking care of us. Be an example, inspire and empower. Don't make decisions when you're sad or angry. There's no such thing as mistakes. They are lessons. Take care of yourself and be true to you, always. Winning isn't everything. Love is the question. Peace is the answer. Finally, celebrate you. Take compliments, but most importantly, compliment yourself all the time. I may have made it through halfway of my 20s and have gotten through high school and university, or college as some would like to call it. Now, I will continue my exciting path to adulthood. It only gets better from here, I promise.